The next question, posed by Mohsin Munir from Bradford, from UK. Can you recommend any good Urdu translation of the Quran for my parents? A similar question is asked by Mubina Hashmi from Pakistan. I am a Muslim and I want to read the Urdu translation of the Quran. Kindly recommend me a translation book or a tafsir. I normally read the English translation of the Quran. My Urdu is weak as far as reading is concerned. But I did ask some of the people who are knowledgeable in the field of Islam, and they told me that one of the good translations in the Urdu language is Ahsanul Bayan by Maulana Muhammad Junagadi. It's also printed by the King Fahd Printing Press in Medina, Saudi Arabia. And the second good translation in Urdu is Tahsirul Quran by Sheikh Luqman Salafi, who was the secretary of Sheikh bin Baz, Rahimullah. May Allah have mercy on him. So these two are the good Urdu translation with authentic, and inshallah if you read them, you will benefit.